Here are the causes to iPhone notifications silenced. 1. Do not disturb mode. When this mode is enabled, your iPhone will suppress notifications, including message alerts, to prevent interruptions. 2. Individual app settings. Each app on your iPhone has its own notification settings. If the notification sound is set to none or the app is muted, you may not receive audible alerts for messages or updates from that particular app. 3. Silent switch. The physical silent switch located on the side of your iPhone, when activated, silences all notifications, including incoming messages. This switch is often unintentionally triggered, leading to silenced notifications. Next are the methods to troubleshoot silenced notifications. First way. Check Do Not Disturb settings. Swipe down. If you see the Do Not Disturb mode is on, tap on it to toggle it off. Next way. Review individual app settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Notifications to access the app's notification settings. Ensure that the Allow Notifications switch is turned on. Adjust other settings, such as sound and badges, to your preference. Next way. Verify Silent Switch. Check the physical silent switch on the side of your iPhone to ensure it is not activated. If the switch shows an orange indicator, it means that your iPhone is set to silent mode. Next way. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches or temporary issues affecting notifications. Next way. Reset all settings. If the issue persists, you can reset all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data but will reset system settings to their defaults. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General and select Reset. Choose Reset All Settings and enter your device passcode when prompted. Confirm the reset. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.